Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick loose low bun hairstyle. To start, I'm taking the crown section of the hair and just tying it off with a clear elastic band. I've left some hair out to frame the face, and then starting from the left hand side I'm just going to gather the hair and twist it, and then as I twist it round to the back of the head I'm just going to twist in more hair until I reach the nape of the neck. Bring this twist over to the right hand side and secure it with a couple of bobby pins, and we're going to repeat on the right hand side. So grab the hair, start twisting, and as you twist add in more hair as you go. Bring this twist over to the opposite side and again secure with a couple of bobby pins. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then loosen everything up by pinching and pulling on the hair. Pop the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Add some more texture spray all over that ponytail, and then we're just going to divide it off into 3 equal sections. So starting with the section on the left, I'm simply going to twist this towards the head and then use my fingers to pinch and pull at the twist to create a bit of messy volume. Now we're going to bring this twist straight up, and then we're going to bring the tail ends over to the opposite side, so over to the right hand side. So use a couple of bobby pins to pin the right hand side to the head, and then also hold the twist close to the head on the left side and apply a few more bobby pins. Moving on to the middle section, again I'm going to twist it towards the head and then pinch and pull to create more volume. And I'm going to bring this twist straight up and pin it to the middle at the top. Make sure your ends are heading over to the right hand side. Now working on that last twist, again twist it towards the head and pinch and pull. And we're going to bring this twist straight up again and then bring the ends over to the opposite side. So pin it to the left hand side and then push it against the head and pin it to the head on the right hand side. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.